Ratchet Repair Garage again. Of course, it's another shorty. I got Randy trying to get the old 79 fired up. And of course, I'm sitting and staying warm in here. I think we're gonna have to put the old jumper cables on it, give it a better boost. Not like we did with the other one, because that battery wasn't made for that truck. If you know what I mean, of course. Usually 500 cold cranking amps usually is for a car. If you do something 700 or higher, is mainly used for a truck. Randy's trying to get it to go, but I know there is a leak on the doggone it, what the heck was it again? I know there's a power steering leak. No, not a power steering leak. There is a in the water pump. It's just a drip. Let's see what happens. We gotta open this hood. I can't see nothing. I don't want you to see through my crack, if you get my point. And honestly, please do not take that the wrong way. We're gonna give it a jump so it's got a better start. It is cold. Let's see, I got 27 degrees right now in this truck. So hopefully this helps start her up. And she's just went right on her own. Oh, she's farting and tooting and scooting and rooting. Gotta let her warm up there. But she's been sitting longer than the 77 was yesterday. Let's see what we got going on. Gosh, my voice. I always feel like someone's kicked me in the balls.